Hi, my name's Felicia, and I just want to give you a quick review of this medicine cabinet that was sent to me to review. This thing is absolutely incredible. It lights up, it has a defogger, and you can change the brightness, turn it off. You can also open it up, and there's shelves, outlets. So why don't we go ahead, let's take a closer look. I'm going to show you all of the awesome features, how they work, how you can use them.
This medicine cabinet can be installed as a surface mount or a concave mount, which means into the wall. We did a surface mount, but my favorite feature of this entire medicine cabinet is the ample storage, so I am able to get things off of my countertops and in its own space. The LED lighting on the edge of the mirror makes the entire mirror appear more open. And I like that you can adjust the temperature of the LED light to the brightness that you would like, as well as adjusting it to the warmth. So you can go from a very cool white light to a warm white light with the simple push of a button. Probably one of my all-time favorite features of this medicine cabinet is the defogging function. So the right button right there will warm up the mirror, and so you can defog after a shower and not have to wipe the mirror so you can see. And so here are the buttons up close. But another awesome feature is this will tell you the time and the temperature of your bathroom. So if you are ever in a rush in the morning getting ready for work or whatever it may be, the time is right there and you will not have to worry about being late. Another awesome feature of this medicine cabinet are the ample outlet spots. You have 2 USBs as well as 2 outlet spaces, so you can get ready with friends, have enough space for your hair dryer, maybe you need to plug in your phone, your curling iron, whatever it may be, there will be space. I also like that the mirror is double-sided, so if you have the medicine cabinet open, you can still use the mirror on the back end of the door. Function meets elegance with this medicine cabinet, giving your bathroom everything that it needs and the organization all in one place.